If you're looking for a quick and easy pasta recipe, I've got a great one for you today, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. The Starch Solution is a program that was developed by Dr. John McDougall, and on his program I was able to lose those last 15 pounds. On my channel you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes that are made with no oil and are gluten-free. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button because I do post a video every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram for more plant-based content. If you're new to this way of eating or just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group and there you will find like-minded people, recipes, inspiration, and support. And if you're still not convinced that a plant-based diet is right for you, I created a quick little e-guide that describes the benefits of a plant-based diet. And please sign up for my newsletter. It comes out every other month. And in my newsletter, I discuss different topics. Some are from a nursing perspective. You'll find some tips, some tricks, and some recipes. As I said in the intro, today I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy roasted red pepper pasta dish. The first thing we're going to do is make our sauce. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box. So we're going to be using some soy milk, some veggie broth, some garlic, nutritional yeast here. I've got a jar of roasted red peppers. I've got a little cornstarch, some salt, a little red pepper flakes, and some onion. So that's all going to go in here. We're going to blend it up till smooth, and that's going to be our sauce. So let's get started. I've got a cup of soy milk, unsweetened. I've got 3/4 cup of veggie broth. Then we're going to add in our onions. This is about, I don't know, 1/4 cup or so. I'm going to do a heaping teaspoon of garlic. An eighth of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you want to leave that out, totally fine. I've got 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I need 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. If you're someone who doesn't like nutritional yeast, feel free to leave it out. We're going to start with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can always add more later. Now we're going to add this entire jar of the red peppers. And we're not going to use all the liquid. We'll save that for another recipe, but these just all go in. And I'll just save this for another recipe. Now let's blend this up. The first thing I'm going to do is drop the spaghetti in some boiling water. I'm using a chickpea spaghetti today, and this is an 8.8 ounce box. Now we're going to pour our sauce into here, into a nice preheated pan. And we're just going to let this cook for a bit. We want to cook off the raw garlic taste a little bit, and we want it to thicken up. So we're just going to let this come up to a boil. So I've drained the pasta, but I did not rinse it. I'm going to turn the sauce down. I'm going to add the pasta in. You want to toss it around. I think I'll use my wooden spatula here. And you want that pasta to get nice and coated with that sauce. There we go. And then I'm going to add a nice big handful of, you guessed it, spinach. And we're just going to let this simmer in the sauce for a couple of minutes. I cooked the pasta for about 6 minutes, so it is al dente, because I knew that I was going to cook it in here for another couple minutes. And then we will be ready to taste this absolutely delicious, simple roasted red pepper pasta. So here we go, finished product. How easy was that? I mean, literally by the time the pasta was done, the sauce, I mean, everything was ready to go together. So you can use whatever kind of pasta you'd like. If you wanted to use a penne or a shell, if you're not gluten sensitive or have celiac, use whatever kind of pasta you want. I just really love the chickpea pastas, the pastas made out of legumes. I think they're really good. They have a lot of protein and fiber. And I love just regular gluten-free, the Barilla. I just love the Barilla gluten-free pasta as well. So, and I love adding the spinach, because of course, you know, I always have to have greens in everything. And I will definitely have a salad. When I make this, I have a nice big salad. And then I might not eat all this pasta, but I probably will. Anyway, so let's give it a taste. Speaking of that, I just want to say, please don't compare my serving size. Sometimes these serving size are for photos, so they may be bigger than what I would normally eat, or maybe they look smaller than what you would eat. You know, I eat different serving sizes at different times depending on how hungry I am. So you just eat till you're comfortably full. And if that looks like less than mine or more than mine, don't worry about it. You just do what works for you. Okay. This never gets old. It is absolutely amazing. You will love it. So easy. Your family will love it. I think kids will love it. And it's no oil, gluten-free, low calorie density. Can't beat it. So I'm really happy that this is my dinner tonight. So if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with pasta, and that way I know that you've made it to the end, and I really appreciate you sticking to the end. It really helps my video. It helps YouTube know that you like these kind of videos, and then they will push it out to more people, and that way we get the word out about how easy eating this way is and how healthy it is. And if you learned something from this video, if you found it helpful, please give me a like. That also helps my channel grow. And please check out everything in the description box. The full recipe will be down there, along with some other links and products and things that I use, things that I've mentioned along the way. So again, I appreciate all your support. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. What the heck? Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and I'm wearing the same damn shirt. Okay. And if you want even more, you can sign up for my newsletter, which comes out every other month. And I think I just said that. And if you want even more, sign up. Oh, I'd already said. Oh my God, I'm losing my mind. As I said in the intro, today I'm going to be showing you a really simple, easy roasted red pepper. Oh my God. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our red, okay. The first thing we're going to do is make our sauce. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make our sauce. We're going to start with a half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to start with a half a teaspoon of salt. Oh my God.